So we have baking soda, vinegar, and some water. So first, I'm gonna put some. I'll put all the vinegar.
Not yet.
Yeah. Put
Oh yeah.
all that nice. It smells so bad.
Thanks, soda.
Tell me.
Do we need more?
No, it's good.
Look.
What is this? Not vinegar.
Vinegar.
Let me see.
It's black vinegar.
Yeah.
Damn. Whatever, just do it.
I don't think it should really affect anything. Oh, damn.
More.
No, it's enough. Okay, that is not so. Oh, shit. You know, I kind of want to taste it.
You want it?
No? Damn it.
Not it. Let's keep popping up. Just put some more in there. Whoa, dang thick.
Let me see. Let me see if it's thick.
Smells like butthead.
Oh, it's so thick. Oh. Yeah, this time we should do it over a sink.
Yeah. Smells like butt.
Damn. Looks like chocolate. You should smell it. It smells really bad.
Alright, clean up before your mom comes.
Wash hands.
Don't wash your hands. I'm not touching that thing.
I don't either.
Put a nickel in it.
That scared me.
What is this will help?
Oh. No, it's going back up.
Oh, that smells like butthead.
It is. Butthead. Oh, look at all the...
Let me see. Can I clean up that?
Oh, you expect me? Hey, you also have to help me.
Dude, I can't be next to vinegar.
Why not?
That's like it.
Why do you think I like it? That was like... Okay, guys. That's pretty much it for this video.
No?
Yeah. What else?
You want to make another experiment? Round 2.
No, but we don't have any more vinegar. Oh, now let's...
No, we won't do vinegar then. Let's do things to do at home that explodes.
Oh, that was...
Isn't that would work if we do that watermelon thing but with the egg?
It's still buffering. It literally killed... It cleaned the cereal. Okay, that just...
Okay, round 2. So, we will be right back with round 2.